Storm Tracker weather starts now with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Oh, indeed, that's right. Yeah, take a look at this shot tonight from Maria Henry. This was the sunset just before the showers and thunderstorms started moving into the Billings area, but still a very pretty sunset. Thanks for sending that in, Maria. Also, Misty, Dog, Jenkins, kind of the same deal. Sun was setting, but the storms were way off down there by Bozeman, so things had changed a little bit. Since then, we're looking at some different issues. Look at this. A drought monitor came out today, and over here in Colorado and New Mexico, they are in extreme drought. Same thing's true up in Northern California, extreme drought there. Also into the rainforest area of Oregon, by Portland, they have an extreme drought. But here in Montana, we're looking at a severe drought, and around that, probably just a moderate drought. And then here in the yellow, that's the abnormally dry, and we still have a little bit of drought issues here, moderate drought in southeastern Montana. But in Billings and the rest of the West, where they've had a lot of snow out there this winter, I tell you what, things are not looking too bad. But things will dry up eventually, and then this drought will come even worse and get closer into Billings and the rest of Montana. Meanwhile, let me show you how things are shaping up in Billings right now. Tonight, we're at 72 degrees, perfect room temperature out there, huh? Not bad. Winds are out of the northeast at about 10 miles per hour. Our high temp today topped out at 84. 86 is your normal high. The record was 100 back in 2005. Record low was 47 back in 1959. No new precipitation has fallen on our rain gauge yet, but we got some showers coming our way. And as you can see, the sunset tonight at 9:04, and we're still a little bit behind normal for the year. Need to get a little bit. We may see some showers moving in very shortly. In the meantime, our current temps are into the 60s and 70s across the state. 73 over at Helena right now. You see 70s in northern Wyoming. Of course, here in Billings, we're at 72, 70 over at Miles City, and a lot of 60s. Still a few 80s for afternoon highs today. They'll look at all these. 83 at Miles City. It was 84 over at Jordan. Here in Billings, we topped out at 84. But look at this. Sheridan and Worland, Wyoming, they got into the 90s today. So Doppler radar shows you the storms now just east of Gray Cliff. They are moving right along Interstate 90, coming right towards the Billings area. We figured about 11 o'clock we'll move in. We'll probably get some showers out of it. That seems to be right on track. We'll see if that timing holds up. It's going to be between now and about 11 o'clock or so. Now, that's the only batch of moisture we really have in the state. A couple of isolated cells here, and that's about it in the Rosebud County, but they're not big and bad. No severe thunderstorms at this point in time, just a lot of flash and dash. Now, here's what's happening tonight. A little warm front moving into our region, and they'll see this by tomorrow morning. It'll continue to push into our area. New cold front comes in behind that, and so here we are on Friday morning, 6 a.m. The warm air moves into our region. Cold front moves in behind that by Friday night, and then we'll see scattered rain showers move through, and these are going to be big thunderstorms. You have air pushing in this way, air pushing in this way, low pressure cell, a lot of lift, and that's what you need for the big thunderstorms, and that's what's going to happen there. Then by the time Saturday gets here, high pressure moves in, kind of clears out the skies, and it's going to be mostly sunny by the time Saturday afternoon on into Sunday. By Sunday, that next storm out in the west will eventually start moving in here. We'll get some prefrontal warming. We'll warm up really briefly and then cool back down for Monday. But tonight, here you go, at about 11:30, looks like the showers will be moving into the Billings area, 58 degrees. Then after that, the showers kind of push all the way in towards eastern Montana. You'll see 50s over here for lows as well. Then for tomorrow, back up into the 70s and 80s. Big thunderstorms moving in late in the day again, and then they'll eventually wind up in towards the places like the Dakotas. But tonight in Billings, 58 degrees. We do have some thunderstorms moving in late tonight, so we'll see what happens. And then for the next 7 days, it'll be 84 degrees on Friday. If we see any showers Friday, probably early in the morning, it'll be 90 on Saturday. Then on Sunday, 96 degrees. And then the cold front moves through, and we'll cool it down into the 70s and the 80s all the way through Thursday of next week. And you're going to see mostly sunny skies each day, maybe a slight chance for some showers on Tuesday. That's weather. Let's go back to Andrea.